Mm, First, I will search the uh, Y language layout. Oh, so, I think such this point is very important. Because my topic is talk about the language and why language die out, and maybe there are a lot of factors. Mm, so I search the wikis right now, mm, 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 and it says language dies may manifest itself in one of the following ways. Let me check. The and Here is talk about the dice languages and the normal language change. Linguistic distinguish between language dice and the process where a language become a dead language through normal language change. A linguistic phenomenon. Mm, it happens. So as it says, it has the Old English, Median English, and early modern English. I think different times have the different language people use, and the process of language change maybe have a lot of factors. Um, because language dies, it involved break lines of normal transmissions of language from one generation to the next, and I think the language that it because one generation to the next generations, they have the change, and they maybe the the last generations has changed the dialect, so the next generation maybe not know the dialects the last generations talk about, and and there is examples about the Latins. Mm, mm, oh, and it talks about the different geographic areas, and mm, its modern forms are now identified by the different names. And, uh, Let me go back and research the why language died out. Oh, sorry, died out because of technology. Mm, Here, I searched a website about languages are being wiped out by economic growth. And it's the list paragraph says the economic growth was most strongly linked to language loss. Mm, And in this paragraph says the two areas mm, such as northwestern North America and northern Australia, and the second is economically developing regions such as the and then false. And here is a very important, here is a very interesting topic. I think it is a very interesting website. English.zooms. Mm, and it says the language will fragment into many unintentionally unintelligible delighters. Mm, Here is the data shows the native English will be the number of the native English speakers are decreasing. Mm, This website is talk about the language are changes and the dialects are will be done will be died. Mm, oh, here is maybe it's what I want. The language and the technology. Mm, oh, oh. And from the third paragraph says one of the most obvious ways is, of course, the presence of new vocabulary mm, because of the technology. And other changes, they have new sick or new languages like LOLs, and their so on, and that means the technologies are changing languages. Maybe maybe it's 15 minutes.
Okay.